Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Jayesh. I am representing organization EPL Limited. Earlier, we known as SL Propack Limited. Basically, we are tube manufacturing organization. What you can see from the picture, we are world's largest tube manufacturing company. We are into B2B segment, but we have global presence. So we have talked about, like from morning, we are hearing about a lot of quality methodology, ISO standards, business excellence model. So I'm going to present what our organization has done to ensure sustainability in quality improvement. So we have blend of all these things that we have implemented in our organization, and I will be happy to take you through this. So we have a vision. We want to be the most sustainable packaging company in the world. Like we are a plastic manufacturing organization, but at the same time, whatever we are doing, we ensure it is sustainable in nature. So brief about our organization. We have 11 plants across, we have 21 plants across 11 countries. And we produce tubes more than world population. So that is the beauty of our organization. If I talk about our history, I will not go into nitty-gritty, but the point here is that we are more than 40-year organization, and we have maintained the quality of our product with which we are servicing our customer from edges. So even at 40-year-old, we are still resilient, sustainable, and confident. We have these main key products. So as I shown you, this plastic tube, which is made from the laminate, the caps that we assemble together, and we give this tube with open-ended side to our customers. We have customers from various segments like oral care, pharma, beauty and cosmetics, food and nutrition. You can see there are large conglomerates to whom we are supplying globally. Like we have retained this customer from more than 4 decades. How we have done that, how we have brought sustainability in quality improvement, that's what I'm sharing you in my coming slide. So we are working on 4M. As all of you know that the conventional man, machine, material, and method. So the first slide talks about machine. So we have world-class machines which are benchmark into their category. So like we have blown film machine from Raffinizer, Germany. We have lamination machine from South Korea. When it talks about printing machine, we have either from HP, which is from US, or Gallus machine from Germany. When it comes to tubing, the tubing machines are from Switzerland. Why I'm talking this? We have brought this technology and we have retained these machines from more than 4 decades. We have the machines from the same manufacturer which we are running for more than 4 decades and giving the efficient output till this time as well. When it comes to technology, we have kept ourselves into Industry 4 evaluation, and we have adopted the digitization in our processes. So you can see we have a lot of technology like the artwork. This artwork we get from our customer. We have artwork collaboration tool from ESCO, the Japanese company, which communicate with our customer, and we ensure the accuracy, whatever we get from the artwork is getting printed on our tube. We have Global Vision software, which talks with customer and identifies any error before the artwork get finalized. So that's how we maintain the accuracy of the artwork on our tubes as well. So when we talk about quality control, I will talk much in detail in my coming slide, but we have ensured zero defect workflow from start to end. There are global standardization process across our organization, and there are systems and processes which are digitized, and we have implemented SAP, which ensure the data capturing real-time data capturing across our organization. So while I talk about our global presence, like we have plants in India, Egypt, Philippines, China, USA, Mexico, Colombia, and latest Brazil is our the latest baby. So we have 21 plants across these 11 countries, and we have how the quality function, how the quality improvement is sustained into this. So we have categorized our action into 6 function. You can see harmonized manufacturing practices, good manufacturing practices, product quality performance, process improvement, zero defect to customer, and sustainability, overall sustainability in driving those practices. So when we called harmonized manufacturing policy, so as the world symbolize, we have brought harmony in what we do. We have brought uniformity in whatever we do across all these plants in different countries. So we have learned about EFQM, Malcolm Baldrige, Deming quality principles. We have brought all these learnings and business excellence practices into our own business excellence model. We called it as harmonized manufacturing policy. We have integrated majority of ISO standards, being a quality management system at the fundamentals, since it is a mother of all standard, and we have integrated the basic requirement environment management system and health and quality management system into this. In addition to this, we have brought the sustainable standards, energy management system or sustainable procurement management system into this standard. And the bottom 3, you can see cosmetic good manufacturing practices, food safety system certification, and BRCGS, brand reputation compliance standard. These are specific to our product. Since we are from packaging, BRCGS is the mother of all packaging standard, and we have brought this packaging standard into our business excellence model. So with this, we have brought uniformation. So all the processes, all the standardization are uniform across all the plants in our organization. So how this has been laid down? So this business excellence model talks about the documentation part, and we have implemented it across all the functions. So we have 4 levels of documents. Level 1 being the quality policy manual. Level 2 concentrates on common procedures and system procedures. System procedures are specific to any operation or any function like supply chain management or any manufacturing or quality processes. And there are locational procedures. Now, locational procedures concentrates majorly on local requirement, local customer requirement, or local legislations, local environmental requirement, and all these are being getting captured under locational procedures. At level 3, we have standard specifications, which are technical specifications for our all materials that we brought. And at the level 4, we have formats and records, wherein we have brought digitizations. All these formats, records, standard process parameters are captured at real-time basis on ePad, and which help us to analyze the standardization and to maintain the accuracy across the globe. So with harmonized manufacturing practices, we are able to deliver same quality of tube, whether I am supplying it to Procter & Gamble in India, China, or USA, I am ensuring the same quality across my plant and to my customers. Now, when I talk about quality function as a role, the responsibilities, as a conventional way, we have categorized them into 3 broad angles. Supplier quality, which takes care of our polymer, packaging material, and all our raw material. Intermediate quality, which ensures product quality at each and every manufacturing stage. And the finished good quality, wherein we have adopted finished good inspection methodology. So as we are discussing from the morning, so we have ensured quality assurance rather than quality control to give what our customer need across the globe. Now, the second function of quality is process improvement, and we have cascaded it into three basic model. First one is quality and zero defect. Here, we have process improvement project, which are basis on DMAC principle. So we called it as our EPL 7-step product problem-solving methodology, and which ingredients Lean and Six Sigma methodology. We have zero defect system, so we have adopted digitization in our operation. So even after human error, even if there are errors or there are quality defects in the tube, it gets automatically ejected into different stages of manufacturing. And that's how the industry for revaluation is being brought into EPL. The scrap and changeover, like we have our own program known as WOW, War on Waste, wherein we ensure to reduce scrap at every stage, and changeover, which works on SMED, single minute exchange of dies, wherein we target to reduce our changeover time. The third is about phonics, similar to Sankalp, what Tata Power has talked about. This is cost reducing programs that we run. And the last element which we have brought into our quality domain is sustainability. So whatever we do, we ensure it is sustainable in nature. And we talk about ESG performance, environment, social, and governance. We are new entrant on this, but you can see from the slide, we started from 2018, but we have taken quantum leap, and we have almost got into like CDP, we have got A rating, EcoVadis, we have gold certified organization, which we have brought, which we have now in hand with our customer, and we have left all our peers behind. So this is some glimpses of our sustainability performance. But what I'm trying to say, we are a global organization, and we have sustained quality improvement in our product from more than 4 decades. Globally, we have 40% market share, and when we talk about India, we have more than 85% market share, and because of our quality sustenance, we have ensured this performance. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. That was a great session. Maybe I'll pick one question. I think...
I'm probably going to ask a little bit of a controversial question.
Yeah.
Sustainability is where we are stuck on the slide, right? And the last slide was. As an organization which is the largest producer of tubes
Correct.
made with plastic, how do you find it difficult to maintain sustainability?
Right.
Because there's a plastic and sustainability is something which is a...
Right, good question. So see, normally when people thinks about plastic, they always see, like this is harmful to environment. Yes, means, it is harmful to environment when it is not handled properly. So in that way, we came along with lot of sustainable practices. We have first world's patented product, which is recyclable in nature, which has been certified by Association of Plastic Recyclers USA, Recyclas from Germany, and Cyclos from Brussels. We are the first Indian company who got certified from Bureau of Indian Standard. Our tubes are got CML certificate. Our tubes are recycled in nature. And now customers are approaching us, and they are joining hand to build this product portfolio into their domain. This financial year, more than 25% tubes globally sold are from our sustainable portfolio. And that gives us, confidence. And that's how, we are ahead in this journey. Now customers are joining hand. I took one name, Procter & Gamble. Procter & Gamble, by 2030, they are going to have 100% of their product from our Platina sustainable product laminate tube. Yeah. Thank you.
That was a great question and as well as great answer. Thanks for giving a complete overview about the quality management system in your organization. Thank you once again on behalf of the organizers. A small memento for you.
Thank you.